Today I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ads, so let's start. Facebook ads is an extremely simple yet expensive way to broadcast ads to users through the use of Messenger channel. Since it is a costly method, this is a completely useful way to send broadcasts on customers who have interacted with the page beyond the 24-hour window with the following purposes listed below. So examples are reach customers, promote a product, and continue a conversation from the client's last message. Now to start creating the ads, locate Facebook ads on the left side corner of your menu here, and take note that if you want to create an ad, you must be the bot creator, the admin of the page, and at the same time have an advertising account attached to BM. Alright, then click on the create ad button here to start. And if you have not granted advertising permission to AhaChat, a dialog box will appear requesting access to your Facebook advertising account. You must turn it on and agree on all permissions and click done, right? After completing that step, an advertising account will appear for you to choose from. And in this example, I have one advertising account, which is a personal account. So I will use this one. And you simply have to click the name to advance to the next step, alright? Currently, AhaChat only supports the function of sending advertising messages directly into customers' inboxes, right? Next here, either select an existing ad group or create a new one. If you previously ran an ad already, then you can reselect it and set it up again. But for this example, we will create a new one. Then you have the option to change the type as well as the campaign name, so like this one. Right, so I will edit this one for example, and continue. Right, we will then be redirected to the ad settings. So the sponsored messages here is on default. Next is for the audience, the name here, you can simply rename your ad here according to your content. And for the audience selection, you can immediately filter AhaChat's customers similar to broadcast features. So like this, you can use the tags, the sequences, and the rest of the options here. Then you can filter the age, gender, location, language, and preference as well. AhaChat will then estimate the number of customers that you can send advertising text messages to. Alright, so I have limited audience here, but for you, of course, it's the number of audience that you have on your bot account. Then for the placement here, you can choose where you would like your ad to appear. You can also select or limit the type of devices that will receive your ad. Then before finalizing your ad, you have to choose your budget and schedule. So pay attention not to set it too low. You can refer to the bid price on our website. Note that the bid limit is the amount you want to bid for 1,000 impressions on Messenger. So you should set it to the lowest amount here at approximately $10 for 1,000 impressions. Alright, but I will set it high here to show you the example. And you can set the start the ad right away or set a schedule. So like this, for example, I want it to run for 5 days, right? And before creating the ad, you must click the consent authorization link that will appear. Then you simply have to click accept, right? Now we are on the last step of creating the ad. So now you have to create the ad name that will appear on your record. Choose the flow and the block from AhaChat that you will use. So I will rename this one as the same name we've been using earlier. So I could track it easier like that, right? So add sample and then choose the flow. So I have pre-created the flow before and just go and search for it. Right, so this one, the add one, and the block is the add sample. So take note that this is how the block you're going to use should look like. A block can only contain one message with one picture or a picture card from user input type with buttons and a quick reply, right? So it should be not lengthy, right? And select this one. And if you want to preview how your ad would appear, you simply have to click on this button to test it, right? Send to Messenger, and you will find the sample message on your Messenger account. Right? So it will look like this to your customer. simple message plus a button here. So here, if they click this one, you can redirect them to a website or to a post on your page so they can see the full details of your ad, right? Then in case some problem arises, you can remove the ads if the campaign is ineffective or if you accidentally created the wrong ad. Okay? So creating Facebook ads is as simple as that. Make sure to try this method to reach more potential customers. And if you have other questions, simply send us a message on our Facebook page. Thank you and see you next time.